In fraction, which one is bigger, 2 over 5 or 3 over 4? This is Dr. E and welcome to my Math in a Minute. In inequality, we know that we point the arrow to the smaller numbers. If we have 2 and 7, we point the arrow to 2, so 2 is less than 7. What about 2 over 5 or 3 over 4? In comparing these fractions, we're going to be using cross multiplication. By multiplying 2 and 4, we have 8, and multiplying 5 and 3, we have 15. So in this case, we point our arrow to 8. Therefore, in our fraction, 2 over 5 is less than 3 over 4. And if we have 3 over 7 and 1 over 4, by cross multiplication, 4 times 3 is 12, and 1 times 7 is 7. And now we point the arrow to the smaller number, which is 7. Therefore, 3 over 7 is greater than 1 over 4. For 2 over 4 and 3 over 6, by cross multiplication, we have 6 times 2, which is 12, and 3 times 4, which is also 12. Since we have the same value for our products, therefore 2 over 4 is equal to 3 over 6. This is Dr. Esperanza, and this is my Math in a Minute. Bye!